Owning and maintaining a home definitely costs a lot of money, but there are some mistakes you might be making that are costing even more. Ignoring a leaky faucet. This one actually kind of blew my mind. A leaky faucet that drips about 1 time per second can waste up to 3,000 gallons of water a year. That's about equivalent to 180 showers. If you have anything that's leaking in your home, make sure that you're getting that taken care of as quickly as possible so you're not wasting water and throwing money down the drain. Not moderating temperatures. It may take a small investment, but a customizable and programmable thermostat is a great idea for something to have in your home. If you are not home during the day, it's a good idea to go ahead and adjust your temperature so that it doesn't have to stay completely comfortable when you're not there. Spending money on cooling or heating is definitely something you don't want to do unnecessarily. Not properly adjusting vents. Adjusting the airflow in your house is one of the easiest things that you can do to make sure that you're not overcranking the heat or the air conditioning throughout the year. If you have one room in your house that's especially warm during the winter, maybe what you need to do is go ahead and close that vent up a little bit. It's going to redistribute the same amount of air without increasing any kind of usage and warm the rest of the house a little bit more. Keeping your water heater too hot. Unless you have a tankless water heater system, your water heater tank is always making sure that the water stays at a consistent temperature. That means that it's going through a process of continually heating that water sitting inside the tank. If you set it too high, the chances are that it's going to run more consistently, which means it's going to cost you even more money. The truth is, most of the time, people are not using the water on the hottest setting possible whenever they're taking a shower or using hot water in other instances, so there's no reason to crank it too high. Find what's the best temperature for you and reduce it to where you're comfortable. Ignoring curled shingles. It's probably really easy to ignore small problems on your roof, but if you do, it can lead to a lot larger problems later on. Anytime you see any curled or raised shingles, that's an opportunity for water to get in and cause additional damage underneath the surface. Anytime you see anything, make sure you're taking care of that as quickly as possible so it doesn't cost you a lot more money in the long run. Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage, and be sure to check the description below for a link to Riz Media on the article where this information came from, along with some other tips on how you can save money at home. If you have any home hacks, let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.